why are we up this late just recording video? What are we doing with it?
I don't know. I'm at 32,000. Yeah, you do that. 100.
Oh my goodness! Thank you, just let me where are you? Do you see?
Oh my gosh, this guy. He's still chasing me.
There's just a plane in the sky that you can ability, buddy. Let me just eat them. What are they doing? Look, they're getting chased.
That's me.
Wait, you're getting chased?
Yes, this whole time I've been getting chased.
Leave my friend alone, bro.
Oh, he's gonna eat you.
I want.
He's gonna go for me because I'm the third. That means second. He's second right now.
Alright, well, I'm gonna eat all his stuff.
You know what? I'm gonna save up for a nuke. I'm gonna nuke everybody. Yeah, cause he's being a bully.
Guys, because I
Oh my gosh,
hey, you need Robux.
No, you need 170,
I have 58 and 35 gems for a shield.
I have 101. I just need 58 more.
Why are you chasing? Are you that?
Shoot, my bad. Yeah, I'm the golden.
You died.
I'm third place.
You died. I was.
Why are there two hurricanes surrounding me?
Wait, guys, am I?
I'm surrounded.
Yeah.
I'm surrounded.
How do you not kill me?
So you actually have to get under them to kill them.
But guys, am I dumb? The last two videos I did with him on the Brookhaven, wait, guys, we're not even doing a Brookhaven video. What are we doing, right, guys?
Yeah.
Like, what are we?
It sucks being the biggest one because, like,
I just stay small like this. Yeah. Oh! Buddy, we can talk. We can talk! What?
a little bit more.
Is the big one going after me?
Probably.
What? I'm 27!
You're not 27 years old.
Yeah. But like, why is he going after me? Hey, look, I'm down here.
Yeah, I can see you.
I'm a little bit.
I have 120 gems.
You just need 170 and what?
If I just get to that size, but that's God, 63,000? I thought it was gonna give me to like 80.
I need a phone. That is the game I'm doing.
Oh my gosh, how did I look, they're just going for me.
Yeah. I farted on you and you were about to explode. How did you somebody?
Oh my gosh.
Somebody.
Yes, yeah. Why are they going for me?
Come after me. Look, I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay, I don't think they want me. Oh, okay, that guy wants to. Trying to.
Oh, these guys really want me.
Yeah, hey,
I think I'm at 130.
What's your problem? Look at me. Get away from my friend. Way down there, they're scared of me. Look, they're trying to go to the side. They're trying to go to the side. They're like, I can't even get past this guy.
Heck, why do they want me so much?
Hey, yo.
They're asking like,
Yeah, yo, how many gems do you have?
136.
Oh,
Once I get enough, I'm nuking. Y'all have to subscribe to me.
And if y'all don't know his name, go check out the second episode we're having with him and channel. Just type in the typing name.
Yeah, it's called Bryson the Gamer. Not really. Not yet. Bye again. Because I bought that pass, that speed pass.
What?
What was it?
But look, I have enough gems for a sheet. Watch. Click on it.
Yeah, I know.
Cost $4. Like,
buy it with him.
it just stole my.
No, it didn't. He had shield. Oh, that ding noise? That's when you got a Why am I getting 0? I'm at.
You.
I'm gonna need. I got it.
You know what? I'll go in for y'all. No. No, I'm gonna die. And my. Look.
Okay, I'm gonna nuke it in 3, 2, 1.
I just live by these
I
trees.
nuked it.
I just am homeless and about to die from a nuke. What is this dynamite taking?
Okay, I bought it. Oh, there we go. There we go. I killed everybody. Go.
Yeah, that'll be it for this video. If y'all
Oh, I took their side.
okay, everyone like and subscribe to him and
See y'all later.